sharing with you the helpful tips on what you need to know to have smooth sailing on your embarkation day coming up. One of the most important things to know is they will not let you on prior to your boarding time. So do not be early. And don't be like me last time. I was super late. Anyway, come at your boarding time. Otherwise, you gotta wait. Everyone else, oh, that's fun. You go up. Which, by the way, if you're new here, yo, I'm Christine Lozada with Where in the World is Sail, and I make travel videos every week. Let me get up, get out, and go travel. So if you like to travel, consider subscribing. This is sailing numero 8 for me. Super excited. Oh, this is gonna be a good video. Super helpful. Let's keep going. Next thing to know, that's a big one, is luggage allowance, which actually, there is none. You can bring as much luggage as you want. There's a lot of cameras, a dual monitor, and all the things I need to work. Hopefully that's not you. But you can bring as much luggage as you want, unlike other cruise lines. So Virgin Voyages doesn't have limits. But one thing to consider is if you're flying in, don't forget, there's probably limitations on your airline, which the next thing to know is where I'm at now. If you are driving into the port of Miami, it's $22 for overnight parking per night. And it's very, very easy. You're parking at Garage G. That gives you access to Terminal B. Super easy. One thing that's helpful to know is if you are doing rideshare or getting dropped off, there are drop-off areas literally directly in front of the terminal. But if you are a rock star, you're going to be getting dropped off on the other side because your entrance is going to be through Palm Way. Everyone else, including Splash of Romance and what I am today, which is Deep Blue, I don't even know what they call it anymore, the Perks program, you go through the main entrance. So when you're a rock star, you're actually boarding from upstairs, which here's some footage of what that looks like, but otherwise you're downstairs with everyone else and, hi, how are you? Let's talk about what happens when you check in. Basically, you'll scoot on up to one of the little counters and someone will work with you to check your documents, i.e. your passports, and give you your band, and that band is what you use for everything. To get into your room, to be able to pay for things. Your band is everything. So they will give you that, and then they will help you to put on that band if you need help with it. Here's the tip for it. If you have a small wrist like I do, you're gonna tighten it just a little bit, and then you're gonna wrap it twice. Once, twice. And then you take this little guy. Oh, this is the hard part. This is the part where you need help. You hook it in here and you stick it all the way through. Yeah, see how it's all the way through? Yeah. Seize the day. Seize the day. Boom. There's my band. But what should you be bringing on board with you? I just talked about your passport. You can bring your own water on board. I brought my refillable water bottle, but you cannot bring single-use plastic. So in other words, if you have a plastic water bottle, you cannot bring that on. That's on this list of things you can't bring, which by the way, if you're like, oh my gosh, what should I pack? What should I not pack? I have a whole helpful video as well as a printable pack list that I actually used on this trip. Finally, I forgot to use it last time. And it's super helpful and that's available to you. So check that out in the description below. But once you get on board, you have work to do. Oh, yes. Oh, magic. Too many people don't realize, oh, by the way, this is really important, getting connected. Oh, connect ASAP. Too many people don't realize, why is it so dark in here? Too many people don't realize that your room is available immediately. It's amazing. Like, you can go straight to your room. Like, I mean, I really needed to pee when I got here, but I was like, I'll just go to my room. Take care of, oh, safety first also. Take care of that, but your room will be ready when you get here. I'm out of breath. All right, you need to go get on the Wi-Fi and start booking things. Check out my helpful tips video. I'll join you over there so you know what to do as soon as you're on board so you can have the best time possible. Oh, I gotta go muster. Oh yeah, ooh. I'm Christine Lozada. If you got some value out of this, cheers that like button, add your helpful tip. We're all a community, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Ciao. Oh my gosh. And here she is. And look what I got. Oh, this is so exciting.